What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I'm Abe. This is EVE Online, and we're doing the fifth and final prep mission before we set off on our exploration challenge in high-sec space. So this is gas site scanning. They're going to give me a Heron if I complete the mission, which is nice. But if you've been paying attention and you've seen the previous videos, you'll know that I've already scanned down gas sites and some of these other things. So all I need to do is hop out, go to the gas site, open the can, grab the thing, and book it. So we'll just warp to zero to this gas training site, and off we go. Now, previously I had started talking about how the Heron's thrusters are not symmetric and how that's a problem. Let's talk about why that's a problem, just because it's interesting to me. I have an engineering background, but you have on all ships, or all everything, everything has a center of gravity. You're almost done, pilot. This is the last site. Now go through here. Alright, so like this pen, for example, can't activate. Oh, I was stupid. I forgot to grab the proof of discovery gas passkey. Alright, so this pen has a center of gravity which you can find by letting it sit on your finger, right? It's basically the point where if you put one thing right underneath that center of gravity, it will support the entire object, right? You have a center of gravity, I have a center of gravity, the table, the mouse, the keyboard, all of these things have a center of gravity. Now, there is also such a thing as a center of thrust, which if you've played Kerbal Space Program, you'll know what that is. But that's where all of the thrust is being applied. And so if the thrust is being applied, or the center of thrust doesn't line up with the center of gravity, and you are just pushing on it, it'll be off-centered, and the thing will actually start to rotate. It won't, or turn. It won't just fly in a straight direction. So the assumption that these ship designers are giving off here is that the center of gravity is like right in here somewhere on this ship. So there we go. That was a rookie mistake. Sorry, I apologize. But we get to talk about center of gravity and center of thrust, so it's not a total waste. Alright, let's try this again. Where's the gas site? There we go. We'll warp off. But yeah, so if you've got these two thrusters that aren't set up, like if you don't have another one over here so that it evens out and balances the one on the left, this thing literally should just be spinning and rolling around. But maybe this little object over here is very heavy, even though it looks like it's the same as this object here. But whatever. Right? And also, you've got the thrusts on this horizontal plane, but look, there's it should also spin this way, because the center of gravity is probably right around here somewhere, because it's not symmetric top to bottom either. Lots of problems in this game. Maybe the top of the fins are lighter than the bottom. I don't know. These are the things that you think about when, I work on satellites at work, and so this is something that is pertinent to me. Let's see. We'll just open the cargo. Don't forget to recover the proof of discovery gas documents from the container. If they've already made it to the site before you, there may not be a document immediately available there. We got to wait for it to spontaneously generate. Boom, and we're done. Alright, so in the next video, we are going to then embark on our maiden voyage of exploration in high sec, and we'll see how long it takes us to make a decent amount of money. So the first milestone, let's set at, let's say 100 million ISK. And then we can extrapolate from there as far as how long it will take us to get to 1 billion. I think it's going to take a long time. And I'll also say at the beginning of each little block of exploration that I do, as you're following along with me, that I'll let you know kind of what day it is, so that obviously exploration on the weekend is going to be less lucrative than exploration on a Tuesday during the day. So yeah, that's good to know. So let's repackage this. Let's sell it. And what the hell? Let's take the 170K. And we're done. All right. So that's it for this video, and we're going to start on the next one in actual exploration. We're going to outfit our ship, and we'll go from there. So thank you for watching. Check me out over on Twitch at Vinsis, and obviously here on YouTube at Vinsis Gaming. And if you like podcasts about gaming and gaming news, check out the Errant Gamer podcast, which I host on a weekly basis. So thank you for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next video.